parrot plucked some of its beautiful feathers and placed them in its owner's hair as a gesture of love. It turns out that the parrot had been rescued by the man. When it flew to his window, it was completely exhausted. The man pried open a stuck window and brought the parrot inside, giving it some milk to help it recover. The next day, the man took the parrot around to search for its original owner, but no one claimed it, so he decided to keep it. The parrot didn't seem upset about not finding its former owner and quickly adjusted to its new home.